Namaste, hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, today's session, I would like to discuss open book assessment number 4, which was assigned on 15th August 2020 from the chapter Understanding Secularism. Before coming to the point, morning I forwarded periodic test 1 question paper to you. So please go with attending, solving the given question paper, writing question and followed by answer, writing question and followed by answer, and leave proper gap, line, space after completing each answer, and preserve your answer script, answer sheet with you, and produce, submit when it is asked you to submit. Coming to the point, question number 1, British come to India as, four options are given: social reformer, inventor, as a ruler, as a traders. So here British came to India for the purpose of trade activity, that's why they came as a traders. Then how many languages are accepted in Indian constitution? So Indian constitution clearly accepted, specified in its uh, schedule about 22 languages. Then which one of the following is a fundamental right? So here different rights are given. So among these four rights we have to identify which one is fundamental right. So right to freedom of religion, right to property, right to work, all of these. So among these three different rights, right to freedom of religion is fundamental right. So remaining they are civilian rights. Then question number 4, the right provided by constitution are called, the right provided by constitution are called fundamental rights. The rights which are provided, which are assured, which are protected by constitution, they are called as fundamental. So remaining they can be called as other civil rights, government rights, economic rights, and optional. So here fundamental right is correct answer. Secularism is added in our constitution by the amendment of 42nd. 42nd amendment clearly specifies about secularism. The term secularism is got added to our constitution. Then after 42nd amendment, the first line of Indian preamble is we people of India. Then followed by what? That is the question here. So sovereign, secularism, democratic, and all of these. So the preamble of Indian Constitution starts from the term we the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into India as socialist, democratic, secular, and republic. So the correct answer to the question is all of these. All these terms are added in our preamble. Then secularism means, four options are there: state is against to all religions, state accept only one religion, state will not give any special concern with any religion, none of these. So the correct answer is secularism is not assuring, not giving, not protecting, not taking into consideration of any particular religion as official religion, or it is not going to give any official recognition to any religion. That's why the correct answer to the question is C. State will not give any special concern with any religion. Then right to freedom of religion is written in Article 25 to 29. Right to freedom of religion, it is mentioned clearly from Article 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. That is from 25 to 29. So these different articles, they goes on explaining what is exactly the freedom of religion. Then according to Article 28, which type of education is resisted in educational institution? Article 28 clearly specifies among these following education is not permitted to be accepted and to be provided in through the education institutions. Education of specific religion, navy education, moral education, sex education. So the among these four options, option A is correct, because education relating to or concerning to any religion is not to be given. Among other than these are the basic education to be given at any level. Then question number 10, on the basis of dash, right to freedom of religion can be resisted, and on the basis of what? On the basis of public arrangements, morality, health, or all of this. What? Right to freedom of religion can be resisted. So public arrangement, because in a society people used to live belonging to different caste, community, religion, and others. So these people need to feel that we are all one. They should not take in any consideration of religion, race, caste, creed, gender, or whatever it may be. If it is taken into consideration, then it starts creating discrimination, it starts creating variety of other problems. In which country non-Muslims are not allowed? Non-Muslims: USA, Saudi Arabia, India, none of these. So USA is not giving any provision for any religion, it is also secular. India is also secular. Then in Saudi Arabia, non-Muslims are not given provision, not allowed. Then question number 12, the most important aspect of secularism is its dash of religion from state, separation of religion from the states. So secularism is clearly specifies, highlights, state should not interfere in the matters of religion, or religion should not interfere in the matters of state. Then who practices untouchability? Who practices untouchability? Here practices means it is present, it is related to past. That's why who practiced untouchability? So Hindu, Muslim, Christian, all of these. So in past, in medieval period, so untouchability was one of the important worst social evil to Indian society, and most importantly it was mainly practiced by Hindus, not by Christians or Muslims. Then how many languages are mentioned in 8th schedule? 8th schedule is clearly specifies for mentioning or accepting some of the schedule languages. So 14 languages are mainly mentioned in 8th schedule. Then question number 15, which of the following are included in right to freedom of religion? So right to freedom of conscience, freedom against forced religious instructions, practice and propagate of religion, all of these. So right to freedom of religion clearly specifies, clearly explains that people are having right to practice, propagate, and accept whatever the religion of their choice. That's why option C is correct. So after 15th question, it's the end of the question paper. So tomorrow we will meet with open book assessment number 6. Until then, take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you and all.